Welcome, brothers and sisters. Thanks for joining me for another night of Space Marines. I'm thinking today I want to continue my journey trying out alternate weapons. Today, if possible, I want to try out the tactical with the heavy bolter and see how that goes. And I think the bolters don't get enough love. So let's take a quick look here. If I do the heavy bolt rifle, and as you see, I've got them all unlocked. If you look at these, like the one with more firepower, I think. Here. No, you know what? I think I want the one with more accuracy. Yeah, I don't care as much about ammo. I prefer the accuracy. So I'm going to go with the Galthamore Crusade Alpha and take the accuracy variant. For perks, just a quick look at the perk tree. Looks like I'm going all bottom row. So more magazine. When your health drops below 30%, you get a reserve magazine restoration. Patch of precision, maximum spread goes down. The able precision, after using a class ability, maximum spread decreases, and then damage is increased by 10% to terminus. That. More ammo reserve again, I like that. And then shots will penetrate for block enemies. And then, we're going to try out Rampage. After killing 10 enemies in rapid succession, we're going to deal 25% more damage. And then we're going to come over here and get more magazine. And I think we're going to do 10% against Tyranids. I like fighting Tyranids better than Chaos. And then each shot penetrates one additional target. One thing I always have noticed instead of my videos is I think that this piercing score is a little bit, underappreciated. I actually think the bolters are a really good weapon, especially for Minoris Clear. And so if you've got one bolt that'll go through four mobs, and then on top of that you get one more from the penetration through 5. You should really always be shooting into packs of mobs with this thing. So I think this is an excellent clearing weapon. No doubt the grenade launcher is the best. I do believe melt is decent. It's not so good for long range, but it can't really be beat at short range, except maybe by the grenades that are coming out of the bolter grenade launcher. But I still like the bolters. They're still a lot of fun to shoot. So yeah, the one I would use most of the time is the grenade launcher bolter, but I want to try out the heavy bolt rifle and just see how it goes. And then, we don't really have a choice here. We're secondary weapon, we can only use a bolter. For this one, if you guys can see, I generally go the more ammo variant. I think that's the way to go for this secondary weapon. We're probably not going to use it that much. And then again, I'm just going to let you see this, mostly bottom tier, but then I jump up a lot of headhunter birds, try to shoot them in the head. So you can copy that down if you guys want. That's the way I'm going to run it. And then chain sword, of course, because we don't have any choice. And on the chain sword, really all my melee weapons, I use the fencing weapons. I don't really like block, and the balance are just not quite as good, in my opinion. I think that's almost universal opinion. And then I usually go top row on these. So again, I'm not going to go through them all. I'm just going to leave it there for you guys to see if you care. Okay. So with that, let's see if we can get a party on tactical. If we can't, maybe I'll run sniper, and then I'll show the perk tree at the end on sniper if that happens. You know what? I'm doing alternate weapons. The last fusil's definitely the best, but I'll take the bolt sniper if we were in no problem with a matchup. All right, so let's do tactical. And then we'll do you know, going along with my theme, I've been doing decapitation just so it's apples to apples. You guys can kind of see how decapitation, how the Hive Tyrant goes with the different kind of weapons. So we're going to do Ruthless. We're going to get out of private mode. I was testing a few things, so it's in private mode. And then we'll do decapitation. Hopefully somebody will join us. And, you know, I don't really want to solo this, but hey, we'll see. Can the heavy... you know, if worst comes to worst, we're going to find out if the heavy bolt rifle can can solo decapitation on Ruthless.
Lieutenant Titus predicts Lieutenant.
All right, like I showed you guys, we're on Ruthless. Got bulwark, and we've got a sniper. Level 1 bots. Let's see what happens. Yeah, and I really do hope somebody joins us. It's a more fair test.
Delta Wing, box check. Meridian's still in the air, Lieutenant.
Yep. Definitely hate those guys. You see, you know, the rifle. Excuse me. The rifle takes about 2 shots to kill these guys. So good, we got Taco Lord joined us. So it's really 2 bolts will usually kill these guys. He came in as a sniper, that's what I was thinking for my other one. Oh no, I'm sorry. Taco Lord is a... Come up here. I hate the snipers, as does everyone I know. Oh, how did I miss that? I was sure I got that one. Alright, so we got a bulwark, Taco Lord. Oh, you know what? Maybe I missed it. Maybe I didn't miss it. Maybe I took a hit. Let's get this guy. I don't really like the Floor's Lava game. But I really did feel like I had to get the mines, so I took my attention off of the Majoris, because I don't like mines. Yeah, it's a sad Space Marine.
That one calls for reinforcements.
Where is he?
Fresh magazine in.
Alright, that was a little bit rough. Got a little beat up doing that. Med pack in a little bit. Some stems would be very handy. Mines did a little bit of a job on me. Oh, I'll take that. Hopefully this bulwark knows how to heal. I don't have comms running so that I can talk to you guys that are viewing. I am not doing well today. Missing parries. I'm almost dead. Now's when I wish I had my grenade launcher. How did that hit me?
Brothers, heed my plea.
I didn't have much health left, so there was not much I could take. I was busy concentrating on the zoanthrope.
Our chapter's covered. Injecting stims. Thanks to you, brother.
At least the banner helped heal me up. Use the use the stim pack. With the stim pack, with the banner gives you 100% contested health. It's a good way to get your health back. I'm gonna grab this.
Progenoids found.
If I find a relic, I'll trace it out. Sure, change it out. Alright, armory data. Also useful. Good, we got more health. Really lucky I had a execute there. Having a nice time fighting all these guys. A lot of minorities on this one. So I do think, you know, it's actually doing a nice job on the North. So that's really, I think, my key takeaway. It's not great on Majora's, but you know, since they nerfed the Melta a little bit, even the Melta needs a few shots to get the Majora's. Oh, again, huh? Where is he?
Take me.
Alright, got him that time.
Swapping magazine.
Alright, who's he coming after this time?
Your stalwart resolve is a bastion in these dark times.
Got him. That wasn't too bad.
That would match the disappointment.
Yeah, we did a good job there.
You strike to the heart of it.
Alright, I'll
You
take one of
imagine
the
nothing.
ammo.
Equipment there.
Take it, but that's alright.
Rearming.
Again, whenever there's a big crowd,
Changing magazine.
so yeah, I think the heavy bolt rifle does a decent job when there's a whole, you know, crowd. Because whenever you're fighting a pack, it's definitely a decent weapon. So let's see what's over here. I'll take it. They're getting this in. I need to get, I do need to get some ammo.
Does not store explosives to Codex Astartes standards. It's enough to demolish the bridge.
magazine.
Where are those guys going? They're just leaving all these guys. Doesn't make any sense. I usually, the ads, if you don't take out the ads, tend to have a bad time. I guess they just figure I can deal with them. Alright. He's got the last one down here. Oh no, they got all of them.
Reloaded.
Alright, I gotta find some ammo. Oh, that might have been what they were going for, the ammo. That's why they ran that way. Alright, so they got the bombs and I cleared out all the mobs.
That is all of them.
That seems fair.
Bring on the monstrosity.
The Hive Tyrant will reach your position shortly. Join the Imperial Guard defenses up on the bridge and lure that Xenos Colossus into the kill zone.
Swapping magazine. Momentum force. Disgusting tyranny scum.
Alright. Here we go. Somebody get us up. Oh, somebody get us up. There we go. Not any real reason to kill these guys. I'm gonna take this.
A beacon of hope for a dark hour. Equipment marked.
Make sure somebody grabs that. Hey, you got it. Alright, now I need a stim to clear my mortal wound. Or it doesn't look like he
Astartes!
is a
We
healer.
were not expecting such illustrious company in the rear ranks.
Take that.
We've got a handle on these probing strikes, my lords. It's the relay that's getting hammered right now. The leader piece will cross that bridge, and in short order, die to our tactics. That's news.
Hey, hopefully somebody picks up
Without
that
our
relic.
support
I
to
already
tackle
have
a
one.
target that big, we may have to bring down the supply
Some
bridge.
ammo. There's
All
some grenades
elements needed are
here.
prepared. Is this a withdrawal order? Negative.
Right.
The objective is the Hive Tyrant.
Let's see what happens next.
Defend this position until the Tyranid command
Here,
unit is
I usually try to
executed.
pop these barrels if they come over the roof.
My lord, may the Emperor guide our lasguns to your support.
3 grenades, basically. Yep.
Ready up, eighth.
Alright, give me a second. Boom.
Shows what we are made of. Left flank. Xenos on the roof.
Down here, get a few. Give me a second. Boom. Any more barrels? There's some. Give me a second. That's not enough. Any more?
The Hive Tyrant is on its way, but it is a horde of Xenos between you and it. Dig in for the long haul. There's more coming.
Yeah, like I said,
Have its attention.
whenever there's a bunch of mobs,
Apply more
I
pressure.
think the bolter works really well. As long as you have, if you do have to have some distance. If you don't have any distance, then you might as well be right.
'em
I didn't look. I didn't look on the other side to see if there was a med pack. Still need to find one here. Nope, nothing there. Get this guy. And I see a med pack. That's good. I can have that. I want that. Cleared the mortal wound, so if you didn't know, if you can heal up past full when you have a mortal wound, you clear your mortal wound. If you look up in the top left, it's like 3 diamonds in the top. That means you don't have a mortal wound. If you have a mortal wound, that would be a skull. I think most people know that now, but you never know. So it is fairly critical to clear your mortal wound, especially in Ruthless and lethal, because you really want to give your party a chance to get you out of it. When you go down to raise you.
The swarm would go feral without their connection to the hive mind, but their focus is still on the relay. Reports confirm the lieutenant's assessment. Enemy cohesion is still in full effect. That beast is not yet dead.
Sounds like we have a hunt, brothers.
We can hold this position, Lords.
So far, so good. I did die once, but I don't think that was because of the bolter. That was because of bad timing against flying mines. Oops.
Reloading.
Again, there's a big bunch of them. So let's take out those mines.
Fresh magazine in.
Where is he? Where is he? All right. I've got one stim, so I'm holding it in case he throws the banner up near me again. It'll heal a little bit better.
Ammunition.
Take that.
Target is alive and retreating. Pursue
Salts
and
and
eliminate.
bulwarks don't usually need a lot of ammo.
To finish it off.
Alright. The hard part's done. Up until the hive tyrant anyway. We'll see how hard the hive tyrant is. But getting to the hive tyrant can be a chore sometimes. Good. The assaulter already weakened him with his jump, so that wasn't bad at all. Okay.
Rearming.
Not sure what I was shooting at there.
Caution. It may still
Plenty of ammo, so not too worried about using the secondary right now.
Stay close and sharp.
Yeah, the bulwark doesn't know how to heal. He's really low.
Tell us a report.
So if you guys don't know, the bulwark is really two ways. When they throw down their banner, you go to 100% contested health. So either use a stim when they do that. That'll get you back up. The other way is if you're just about to execute someone and they drop a banner, the banner puts you at 100% health, and then after they do that, if you execute gives you back all your health.
Fresh magazine in.
So it's another good thing to know.
Full specs prime.
The Xenos leader bescales the building. Take to the roof.
Yes, other than the trouble with the mines, this has been a good run. Here, just in case there's anything in here we care about. Can't remember if anything spawns there or not. But no, not today. Alright, it's time to...
Stim injection administered. Picking up extra rounds.
I'll leave that for work. Easy, easy.
Supply drop. Restoring vitality.
You got the med pack. Alright, let's do this. Guys.
That is no death spasm. Core energy readings just shot past fatal levels.
Release that last one.
Help me to my feet.
It's always the ads that are bad in this. Oh, and I don't have my med pack. So kill the ads.
Deep scan ready. Releasing frag grenade. Changing magazine.
Let's execute. Saved me there. From that wave, that energy wave. This one's gonna be close, but we made it. So it was a win. It wasn't a pretty win. I did die twice, but I think you know it went the way I kind of expected. I think the heavy bolt rifle on is a decent choice. So people who don't give it any love, it has a use. It's really good for minor's clear and long range, where Melta can't do that at long range. Is it better than the grenade launcher? No, it's not. Arguably, at long range, I'd say it might be better than the Melta, but it's a viable weapon and you can win with it. So I think it's worth using. Anyway, if you like this kind of stuff, let me know. Say it in the comments. I'll do more of these on different classes. I plan to do them pretty much all on decapitation, but if you guys want me to do anything else, I'll do anything else. So like and subscribe if you like this. I'm going to keep trying to make more Space Marine content for a while. Thanks, guys. Bye.